Years na ako sa industry ng coffee. I have my own cafe. It's called Mahiwaga Cafe. In by profession, I'm a cybersecurity engineer. It started like mga August, June when I'm trying to build the ideation of the app. Kasi what I wanted is have a like centralized platform for anything coffee. Um, pero before that, actually nag-start talaga yung idea lang na ako I needing a parang reward system para sa shop. So gawa ko na gusto ko medyo digitalize kasi for the past 6 years puro loyalty cards na physical, tapos after nun hindi wala akong record of all those record ng reward system. And then for users naman, nangyayari is nawawala lang nila, di nila napupuno. So, come up with, let's make it digital. So, I did the development of that. And then, nung ginagamit na namin siya sa shop, it's working naman. And other cafes around me, yung mga neighborhood cafes, sabi ko, try natin i-beta test din sa inyo. Baka if you wanted na parang, let's make it centralized. Why not make it a full platform nga for anything coffee. Tapos, let's make anything na maisip natin or maisip ko na ano pa ba yung pwede nating approach na maging okay. So, pumasok na dun yung naging um, geo-verified review, geo-verified location, or journaling na siya. So, you could journal or kasi pinalitan ko eh. Gusto ko yung approach na friendly, personal. So, imbes na review, I make it journal. Pero parang review na yung sense niya. Pero it's more on you should have to be physically there to prevent spam, to prevent fake reviews. You have to be physically there, tapos tsaka mo lang siya pwedeng ma-review or ma-journal. And then why not make it social platform then? So in a social aspect, um if you're there, you could chat with the general public. We have a general parang chat platform or messenger in-app. Pwede kayo mag-usap lang doon, general. Tapos also pwede ring if you're there, you could share na you are there with the cafe or with the people na nandun. Tapos doon na pasok natin yung coffees ay cafes, imbis na cafes lang, pasok natin yung beans, pasok natin yung roasters, farms, or coffee orgs, the whole ecosystem. So kasi that's something na missing with regards to the coffee industry. Yung tech that could bridge all those chains together. It's a platform for anything coffee. Okay, so yun if someone or customer or a user or person wanted to like know about coffee, I would just go to where to coffee or download or check the app. So, makita lang ng tao yung value. If they see the value of it, I'm hoping for a mission and vision ko is maging centralized platform talaga siya na all coffee things or all coffee lahat ng coffee, anything coffee nandito na, and all people na if they wanted to check for anything coffee, they would check it here. Parang maging ano siya, maging staple siya na app for coffee. Lahat ng possible problems ng coffee na pwedeng isolve ng tech, malagay natin doon, ma-integrate natin doon, and eventually will make it much more useful.